everyone, so today I'm gonna teach you how to make your pictures look more dramatic by just using mobile apps. So yeah, let's get to it. So the first app I'll be using is called Snapseed. It's a free app and is available on both Play Store and Apple Store. If you have a picture that you want to edit right now, so do take out your phone and edit it with me. I've already added subtitles to the video so that it will make it easier for you guys to follow. So right now we're just gonna adjust the curves where I'm just gonna remove the move the line to the right hand side so that it gives out a more yellowish vibe and ultimately giving it a more foresty vibe as well. And then we're gonna go to masking where if you think about all these curves, it's just like an added layer. So right now we've added a yellow layer on top of it, but I don't like that this pathway is yellow, so we're going to go to under masking so that I can remove this yellowish color on the pathway. So what we're doing right now is to try and give the forest a darker vibe, so that's why I'm moving the curve towards the right so that it will just darken the image. Then in masking, I'm using the brush to adjust where do I want the light to appear. Since now my forest is really dark, so I'm just going to highlight which part that I want the sun rays to sort of like fake appear in the image. Then I'm gonna go back to the curve tool to reduce the brightness again so that I can intensify the light. So I will be doing this process 2 times. So over here, we're gonna add some fake sun rays. So just move the bottom left cursor right at the top to just add in this like faded overlay, and then we'll fix this in masking. So now that you've added your fake sun rays, you need to brighten it up. So this is what we're doing. We're just gonna move the RGB line towards the top, and then we're also gonna use the blue line and move the curve downwards so that we can add more yellowish vibe to this image. Tap on selective if you want to adjust a specific area of the image, like making the color pop a bit more. Then you can just go on selective like what I'm doing right now, so that I can adjust that particular green area to make the color more brighter and so on. Then you want to make sure that you give your image a warmer look. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just going to add in some temperature and give it some tint. Yeah, so don't worry if you've added too much tint, because in masking you are gonna select the area where you don't want it to look too blue or too purple, like now. Hold on guys, we're almost there. So over here you just need to add in some highlights, ambience, some brightness, pretty basic stuff just to make sure that we get the colors right. Okay, so now the clouds. So there are actually two ways to do this. The first method, what I'm showing you right now, is to do it via Snapseed. This is actually, it's pretty easy to do, but you just need to make sure that you get the right cloud picture, or else it would not blend in nicely. So the second method is via this app called Pixaloop. It's a free app, but it has all these in-app purchases, like for example this cloud feature. You have to, some free ones, but the nicer ones I really have to pay. But the good thing about this app is that you don't need to find your own cloud picture. They already have it in-app and they can adjust it nicely for you. You can control the capacity, you can control the ambience, the horizon, whatever, and you can also make the clouds move. It's so damn cool, but yeah, you have to pay for this app. But if you're too lazy, why not? And we've reached to the last step. That wasn't too hard, wasn't it? So the last step is pretty easy, just add in the glamour glow. This step is pretty optional, but I just want to add in some sort of misty vibe. So I add in this glow just to, make it misty. And this is the final look. It's a huge difference from the original one for sure, and you won't believe that we just did all this in a free app. People might think that we're probably doing this from a desktop, but all this can be accomplished by just on your mobile phone. So yes.